Oh, that's too much. That's too much, little one. I know.
Don't know if this vlog will ever actually get made, but for now, trying to amp myself up. Weekend included subletting an apartment, worked out, but my first subletter pulled out, so I'm still looking for a second. Wonderful, not Magic the Gathering, role-playing game with my friends and my partner, and I love them. And getting to see my partner after work. Lots of crazy work stress. Getting a study guide. I'm about to go back to San Marcos and finish studying the study guide and having nightmares about my dance routine. And the newness of it all still feeling a little overwhelming. And having a panic attack last night about like an old kind of argument that my partner and I keep having about nothing, which is what they're usually about. So that's where I'm at this morning, riding the tail end of panic attack, riding the tail end of lovely fucking weekend. Like that game night was fucking amazing, and so was getting to see my partner, and then moving into moving back into school, which is just like go, new people, new places, scary as shit. Had a good shower this morning. I definitely need a haircut. I'm really kind of scared to go to San Marcos because and get back into school stuff, because this stuff with my apartment isn't figured out yet, and it's new out there. And I'm riding the tail end of just like some early burnout. And something else. Pushing me to get more in touch with my spirituality than I have in a while. Just feeling really intensely recently the truth of cycles. It's like you seed plants and then they grow, and then the winter comes and they die, and then they blossom again in the spring. We all move in these cycles. And I think ignoring those cycles causes so much pain, unnecessary pain, because sadness and frustration and death should be an exciting, wonderful thing, because it is the beginning of the next peak. You can't get to the top of the mountain without starting at the bottom. And like I said, I think we miss something when we forget that, because maybe we try to hide it and just experience joy, and then we start to feel lonely because we're not allowing our body to have its authentic expression. If we saw cycles of failure and success and grief and joy as really, really normal, then maybe we would stop being so afraid of them, apologizing them, these moments in our lives, and start seeing them as a beautiful part of the motivating cycle of the view at the top of the mountain, you know, which is really beautiful, but so is the climb.
Head northwest on Chestnut Street toward Ridgeway Drive.
I don't know if I'm going to actually make this a video or not. I have often film these things and then don't, but it's the, you know, time of the month and stuff. So I'm feeling into that, trying to trust my body, but I've also just been working so much this past week. I'm grateful for it because I think that pain and sadness is the opposite side of love. If you didn't love, you wouldn't feel pain and sadness. But if you didn't feel pain and sadness, you wouldn't feel love, because it is the lack of that which you love. So helpful to point us to that thing. I've been experiencing so much grief lately. Just like so many endings over the past few years, so many beginnings too, right? I think that my guides and my gods and my soul is too tethered to the purpose of goodness and bringing about magic and holding to wellness and holistic wellness and worship and pagan worship and nature worship and beauty and community, to have that not be a part of my reality. It's going to be, and the grief that I'm feeling is just a catalyst to that. But I'm recognizing that my grief that I'm feeling is, I will be experiencing that type of belonging again. And even though those communities and those people were really rare and beautiful and gems, that it's not that there's a bunch of fish in the sea, but it's that I am a fish and I will find the others like me. And I'm not even capable of giving up on that vision of reality, so I don't have to worry about that so much. S&M Fire Department. Bro, take me there. Have you ever been rescued by a fireman? Then you'll understand. What the actual... Select all the products. Okay. So you want to do I'm realizing more than ever now lately that I'm not like everyone else. But if you're a little alien or an earth angel like me, then this is some encouragement to you. Tonight I was very stressed out, and I claimed my right to dance on Mother Earth. I didn't have everything I needed, and I wasn't sure, you know, all the expectations, but I grabbed a glass jar in my car and I stuck my phone in it to make the speaker louder and played music, and went and embraced the love of the earth in Sewell Park and danced on Mama Nature and let her fully embody me. And even just a few minutes, I'm already feeling refreshed. This is just an encouragement for any of you out there who, like me, are aliens in human flesh suits or fairies and need this encouragement that there are others like you out here paving the way. So never stop dancing.